Welcome to Global Vibe, a channel for smart living journal. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized is crucial. With the right productivity apps, you can boost your efficiency and get more done. Imagine increasing your productivity by up to 20% just by using the right daily productivity tools. With numerous productivity apps available, it can be hard to choose. Let's explore some of the most effective tools to streamline your day. Understanding the modern productivity challenge is essential. The contemporary professional faces many tasks and needs to maintain work-life balance. Productivity software solutions are critical in addressing these challenges. The right tools help you organize tasks efficiently, prioritize work, and minimize distractions. Productivity apps provide essential features like task management, note-taking, and focus enhancement. For instance, Todoist helps you organize tasks, while Evernote assists in note-taking. Time management apps like Focus will improve concentration. When selecting productivity apps, consider several criteria. Assess the app's functionality and ease of use. Look for features that align with your needs, like integration capabilities and cross-platform compatibility. User reviews can also provide insight into effectiveness. Consider what tasks you need to manage. Identify your productivity needs first, which will help narrow down your options. If task management is your focus, apps like Trello or Microsoft To-Do offer great solutions. Task management apps can significantly enhance organization. Apps like Todoist and TickTick allow you to track and prioritize tasks effortlessly. For note-taking, tools like Evernote and Notion excel at capturing and organizing ideas. They offer advanced features to enhance your productivity. Time management is another area where apps shine. Forest gamifies focus, while Focus at Will offers music that enhances concentration. Freedom helps you block distractions, perfect for maintaining focus during work sessions. Calendar and scheduling tools are essential for managing time effectively. Google Calendar is user-friendly and integrates well with other Google services. Calendly simplifies scheduling meetings, and Microsoft Outlook combines email with calendar management. Project management solutions like Asana and Trello streamline team collaboration. These tools allow users to manage tasks efficiently, track progress, and communicate effectively. Building consistent habits is vital for personal development. Habit-tracking apps like Habitica and Loop help you monitor progress and maintain motivation. Email management tools like Spark and Mailbird reduce inbox overwhelm. These apps help streamline communication by organizing emails efficiently. Document and file management apps like Dropbox and Google Drive have transformed how we store data. They enhance collaboration and secure your important files. Automation tools like Zapier and IFTTT eliminate repetitive tasks. They help automate workflows, saving time and effort. Finally, consider all-in-one productivity suites like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. These platforms integrate various applications, making it easier to manage tasks, documents, and communication. Creating a personalized productivity system is crucial. Integrating multiple apps, while avoiding app overload, will enhance your workflow. By focusing on core needs and choosing the right tools, you can significantly boost your productivity. In conclusion, optimizing your workflow with the right tools can enhance efficiency and productivity. Understanding your requirements and leveraging suitable apps allows you to manage tasks effectively. Take the next step. Explore these tools and discover what suits your workflow best. To learn more, visit smartlivingjournal.com/top productivity apps to streamline your day. Thanks for watching the video.